Discover the ultimate adventure companion with our range of action cameras. Compact, lightweight, and often waterproof, these cameras are designed to capture life's most thrilling moments with unmatched versatility. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie seeking to document your extreme sports or a travel enthusiast eager to capture every moment, action cameras are the perfect companion. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best action cameras you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Discover the world anew with the DJI Osmo Action 4, our number 5 pick for the best action camera. It's not just a gadget, it's a portal to moments bathed in dim light, captured with unparalleled clarity. The Osmo boasts a Type 1 by 1.3 image sensor, eclipsing its competitors like the GoPro Hero 12 in low-light videography. Despite its lower pixel count compared to the Hero 12, the Osmo Action 4 flexes its muscles with 4K 120 or 1080p 240 video capabilities and stunning 10-megapixel snapshots. Venture fearlessly into the night with its 75-minute battery life, dual touchscreens, and a waterproof rating plunging to 59 feet. Designed for the intrepid souls who seek adventure after sunset, the Osmo's front touchscreen simplifies self-recording, and its robust build ensures it stands tall against the rigors of exploration. Embrace the breathtaking vistas with a wide-angle lens supported by impeccable digital stabilization. Priced at $400, this masterpiece not only captures memories but transforms them into timeless treasures, making every dollar an investment in the magic of your journey. The Insta360 One RS emerges as the 4th best action camera, a technological symphony of creativity and versatility. What sets it apart is its avant-garde feature: swappable lenses, a game-changer in the realm of action cams. The basic kit flaunts a 4K main lens for captivating 16:9 footage and a dual-lens 360 module for immersive, all-encompassing recording. This fusion of options provides users with a canvas for their creativity. The Insta360 One RS beckons those who find themselves torn between the allure of a standard single-lens cam and the panoramic embrace of a dual-lens 360 model. Upgradability is key, with Leica-branded modules available for both single and dual-lens recording, promising higher quality captures. Compact and waterproof up to 16 feet, it's a reliable companion for adventures. The camera excels in producing stabilized 4K 60 video and 5.7K 360 video, complemented by HDR capabilities at 4K 30. The inclusion of a 2x35 widescreen mode expands the canvas further. With support from mobile and desktop apps, this compact marvel comes at a price that echoes its prowess. $439. The DJI Action 2 emerges as the avant-garde maestro in the realm of action cameras, claiming the coveted title of the number 3 best action camera and earning our hearts for the most innovative design. Its revolutionary modular design, adorned with magnetic mounting points, invites you to capture moments from unconventional angles that defy the limitations of traditional counterparts. Elevating its versatility, the camera seamlessly transforms into a wearable body cam snugly clasped by an elegant pendant necklace mount. This diminutive powerhouse boasts a cinematic prowess with 4K 120 recording, catering to both the thrill seekers in action-packed scenarios and those seeking the grace of slow-motion poetry. The Action 2 beckons to the wanderers and adventure seekers, offering a compact, wearable companion for their escapades. Its video capabilities stand shoulder to shoulder with industry giants, while the industrial design adds a touch of glamour, making it a darling for style-conscious influencers. For a mere $290, this tiny titan not only defies geographical boundaries but also plunges into the depths with its waterproof resilience, reaching up to 33 feet. With effective digital stabilization, 12-megapixel photo prowess, and the ability to double as a webcam, the DJI Action 2 stands tall as a beacon of innovation in the ever-evolving landscape of action cameras. Step into a world of boundless creativity with the Insta360 Go 3, crowned as the #2 best action camera and a testament to innovation in a petite package. The compact, capsule-sized wonder captures life's moments in a mesmerizing 2.7K 30 video, inviting you to explore the depths of creativity and adventure. It's not just an action camera, it's a storytelling companion. Dive fearlessly into the unknown, for the Insta360 Go 3 is waterproof and resilient up to 16 feet underwater, making it a steadfast partner for thrill seekers. Yet, its magic lies in its transformation, thanks to the ingenious Action Pod housing. It morphs into a versatile standard action cam with a flip-forward touchscreen, proving it's more than a one-trick pony. This gem is crafted for spirited creators and bold adventurers, those who crave wearable cameras to document their journeys or seek unique perspectives from unconventional angles. A word of advice: embrace the art of video editing, for the Go 3's prowess shines through when molding raw footage into captivating time lapses or applying digital stabilization. With a price tag of $440, the Insta360 Go 3 is not just a camera. It's an investment in unlocking a world of storytelling possibilities. Say hello to the GoPro Hero 12 Black, the unrivaled apex of action cameras. This technological maestro effortlessly captures the pulse of your escapades with a symphony of features. It dances through dimensions, boasting 5.3K 60, 4K 120, and 2.7K 240 capabilities, painting your exploits in unprecedented detail. Imagine the rush of skateboarding through urban landscapes immortalized with class-leading video stabilization that breathes life into every jump and flip. The Hero 12 Black becomes a muse for creators, embracing a square image sensor that elevates visual artistry for TikTok's vertical canvas. Immerse yourself in the vibrant world of HDR at 5.3K 30 or 4K 60, where even challenging lighting becomes a tapestry of brilliance. Its robust, waterproof design defies limits, eliminating the need for cumbersome add-on cases. For surfers conquering waves, skateboarders defying gravity, or vloggers narrating their tales, the Hero 12 Black emerges as the ultimate companion. A front-facing display beckons vloggers to frame their narratives with precision, while the Media Mod accessory system opens doors to creative expression, priced at $340. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.